Hi, Boo Boo. Today we're going to... Boo Boo, sit. Okay, good girl. Boo Boo, today you're going to hear the story of green eggs and ham. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Zoo. Wait. Wait, okay. Sit down so you can hear the story. Okay, sit down, Boo Boo. Okay, here's the first page. Got it? Okay, look. Take a look at the page. I am Sam. I am Sam. I am Sam. Oh, here comes Kitty. Kitty wants to hear the story too. Kitty? Kitty? Okay, here we go. I am Sam. Sam, I am. Okay, next we're going to hear The Great Gatsby. Yeah! Do you know who wrote it? F. Scott Fitzgerald. Right, F. Scott Fitzgerald. Okay, let's get that one off the shelf. Here it is. Great Gatsby. Okay, right? We're almost at the beginning of The Great Gatsby. Chapter 1. Okay, sit. Good girl. All right, here we go. In my younger and more vulnerable years, my father gave me some advice that I've been turning over in my mind ever since. Whenever you feel like criticizing anyone, he told me, just remember, Boo-Boo, just remember that all the people in this world haven't had the advantages that you've had. Do you understand that part, Boo-Boo? Basically, he's saying, not to be judgmental. What do you think? Do you think that's right? I think, oh, somebody at the door. All right. Good job, Boo-Boo. Okay, you want to go for a walk? Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, good job, Boo-Boo.